back to closing well on CNBC TV 18. It definitely is lots of drama in the commodity markets. Let's start with the currency markets because euro has come off quite sharply from 1.5535 in the morning to 1.5408 at this point in time, and that's led to a sharp sell-off in case of gold prices. They were trading at nearly 876 in the morning and it's trading at 868 at this point in time, nearly $8 off in the European markets right now. But it actually is crude prices which have been trading on the higher side after Goldman Sachs report, which says $150 to $200 a barrel is what you can see in coming 2 years, and that is what is giving support to the prices. What is the strategy going ahead in all these commodities? Let's ask Shreekant Jha of PJ Commodities Ventures, who joins us now for the check on all of these. Shreekant, thank you so much for taking time out for us. Let's start with crude prices because that is really the story of the day.
Yeah, actually we were looking at crude earlier to reach $122, which it did, I think, yesterday late in the evening. And a break of 123 would mean that we would give it a target of 130 in the very near future. It's so bullish that we can't really give it a time frame.
But what is the range you're looking for, and do you agree with the Goldman Sachs reports?
Pardon, I didn't get that.
Do you agree?
The longer term perspective of about $200, right?
Yeah.
See, at this juncture, the longer term and the shorter term trend is extremely bullish. And we are going into an absolutely unknown territory. The last of the resistance were at about 123. So anything above this is anybody's guess.
Shreekant, how would you trade gold in that sense? Because it of course has been tracking crude and has taken support from that. But at this point in time, the currency, the US dollar is again on the higher side, and we have seen sharp fall into that one. Is it a case of more selling from here on?
No, I actually see, as far as gold is concerned, it is bearish. So whatever corrections you're getting to the upside would be sharp and quick, but I think it should be utilized as actually selling rather than looking at it as a turnaround.
What kind of support levels, or what is the range, a near-term range that comes to you?
We still stick to the fact that we were looking at 850 as our first target and 830 as the second. We still stick at 830. I think that is the time that you may be able to look at some value in terms of buying gold.
Point taken, Shreekant. And some of these agro commodities actually have been doing quite well, not the essential ones, but if you look at RMC, that's actually gained quite a bit in the recent days. More strength?
RMC, the break of 530 on RMC actually gave an indication that it will start moving up. But lately what's happened in the last couple of sessions is that it's been spiking around the 550 levels. We would like to see it closing today at 550 to initiate fresh purchases. There could be maybe about 550 plus for a target for about 570. It is getting bullish.
Shreekant, chili of course has been red hot in the recent days, but turmeric also has been doing well in the recent days. More buying is what you're predicting there?
Yeah, as far as turmeric is concerned, we would actually say 3270 or 330 would be a good buy for a target of about maybe 3450 or 3550. It is bullish and it will continue to be so. The support at 3000 has held, so I think nobody should think of shorting it.
Point taken, Shreekant, and thank you so much for taking time out for us. So strengthen those agro commodities and in crude for sure, and that's all the time we have on Closing Bell for you. But stay tuned for After the Bell.